Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss some important chapters of your syllabus which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now, dear students, in today's class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is trigonometric ratios. We discuss about a very important chapter which is trigonometric ratio. This is one of the most important chapter of your syllabus. So now let's see some important questions based on these topics. Okay, now you know that there are six very important trigonometric ratios, which is what? Sine, cosine, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot sec and cosec. And you know that for any right angle triangle, ABC, right angle at B, this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse, and this is your base. And suppose that we take mention the angle A is theta, then you know that sine of angle theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and you know that then cosec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Similarly, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to what? Base upon hypotenuse. This implies that sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Similarly, for tan theta, so tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base, that is similarly cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, because of cot and tan reciprocal to each other, sin and cosec reciprocal to each other, and cos and sec reciprocal to each other. So dear student, in this way, using that concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. We take and solve some important question based on this. And question is, if 5 tan theta, take a question, if 5 tan theta is equal to 4, if 5 tan theta is equal to 4, then find the value of, then find the value of 5 tan theta minus 3 tan theta divided by 5 sin theta, sorry, 5 sin theta here. This is 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. We find the value of this expression. Now look what I do for that. So let's see its solution. First of all, we have 5 tan theta is equal to 4, that is tan theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Tan theta is equal to 4 upon 5. And to do that, suppose that this is A, B and C, this is the right angle at B, and angle A is taken as theta. Okay, then you know that tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base. Okay, this is the concept of tan theta. So we take as this is 4k and this is what? 5k. Thus by Pythagoras theorem, thus this is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we get as AC square, so AB is what? 5k square, this is 4k square is equal to 25k square plus 16k square, 25k square plus 16k square. So we get what? This is 39k square. Thus the value of AC is equal to under root 39k square, that is 13 under root 39 into k. This is the value of 39 into k. Okay, so this is the value of the hypotenuse AC. Now we find the value of sine and cos theta. Okay, now the value of sine theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 4 upon under root 39, and cos theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse, means 5 upon under root 39. Now we put the value of sin theta and cos theta in the given expression and simplify them. Let's see. Now the given expression is what? 5 sin, the value of sin theta is 4 upon under root 39 minus 3 into 5 upon under root 39 divided by, okay, we just put the value of sin and cosine, and in the denominator this is 5 into 4 upon under root 39 plus 2 into 5 upon under root 39. Now we take the LCM of the denominator in both the numerator and denominator. So numerator and denominator. So we get in the numerator we get 5 4 the 20 minus 5 3 the 15 divided by under root 39, and in the denominator 5 4 the 20, 5 2 the 10 upon under root 39. Now under root 39 under root 39 cancel to each other. So we get what? 20 minus 15, that is 5 divided, this is what? That is 30. So 5 1 is 5, 5 6 the 30. Thus in this way the value of the expression is what? 1 upon 6. This is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear friend, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric ratios. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these values. Now we take a very important question. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, right angled at B, angle ACB, right, in a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan of angle A upon under root 3, if tan of angle A is equal to 1 upon under root 3, find the value of first sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay, minus sin A sin C. Now let's see its solution. This is the very important questions related to your syllabus. So please, dear students, please concentrate on this question. First of all, we draw a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. This angle B is 90 degree. Here, angle B is 90 degree. So first of all, we measure the angle A as well as we measure the angle C, and it is also given that tan of angle A is equal to 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon under root 3, and you know that tan theta is what? Tan of angle A is perpendicular upon base. So here let the perpendicular is 1k and base is under root 3k. So this is 1k and this is 3k. Now using Pythagoras theorem for that triangle. Now using Pythagoras theorem. This is what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have as AB is what? Under root 8k whole square plus 1k whole square. So we get AC square equal to this is 3k square plus 1k square, that is 4k square. So we have AC square to be under root 4k square, that is 2k. So in this way the hypotenuse is AC is what? 2k. Now first of all we find the value of the trigonometric ratios, given ratios for angle A as well as angle C. So first for angle A. Now first for angle A. Look, sine of A. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is 1 upon 2. Okay. Cos A. The value of cos A is what? The value of cos A is what? Based upon hypotenuse. That is under root 3 upon 2. K cancel to each other. Now, in this way we find sin A cos A. Now, for angle C. Now, for angle C. So, sine of angle C. Now, if we measure that, then the angle, the side opposite to measuring angle is your perpendicular. Okay. So now, sine of angle C is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So, it means root 3 upon 2. And cos of angle C, base. This is 1 upon 2. Base upon hypotenuse. This is your base, and the side opposite to right angle is always your hypotenuse. So in this way, dear friends, we find all the required trigonometric ratio, value of trigonometric ratio for angle A as well as for angle C. Now we substitute all these values in the given expression. Look. Now first of all we take the first part. This is what? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now we put the value of sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. Look, sin A is what? 1 by 2, cos C 1 by 2 plus cos A root 3 by 2 sin C. This is root 3 by 4. Now we simplify them. We get 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. That is 4 upon 4. That is 1. That is your answer, 1. Now, for second part of this question. Now, for second part of this question, that is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So we get cos A is what? Cos of angle is root 3 by 2. Cos C is what? 1 by 2 minus sin A is what? 1 by 2 or sin C is what? Root 3 by 2. Okay. Now we simplify them. So we get 4 minus root 3 upon the 4. So now root 3 by 4, root 3 by cancel to each other. So we get as 0. This is the required solutions of the given questions. Okay. So in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic trigonometric ratios. Now we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. And the question is, if sec of theta 5 by 4, if sec theta is equal to 5 by 4, verify that tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin theta upon sec theta. Sin theta upon sec theta. This is the question. Sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. Then we have to verify that tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin theta upon sec. Now look, its solution. So first of all, we draw a right angle triangle. Okay. Now look. Suppose that ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B, and angle, let us take angle A is theta. That is sec theta is 5 by 4 now, and sec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse upon base. This is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is what? 5k and base is what? 4k. Now by Pythagoras theorem, this is 5k square 4k square plus bc square. Okay. Now from there bc square is equal to 25k square 60k square. No? So we get BC square is equal to, this is 9k square. So that is BC is equal to 9k. So the value of BC is now 9k. Value of BC is what? 9k. Now look. So now first of all we find the value of tan theta, that is the value of tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. that is 9k upon 4k के cancel to each other, so tan of angle theta is equal to 9 upon 4. Sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is 9k upon 5k, k cancel, so 9 by 5. Okay, and now sec theta. Sec of angle theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is what? This is 5k and base is what? 4k. K cancel to each other, that is 5 upon 4. So in this way, first of all, we find all the required values, all the values of trigonometry, all the trigonometric value of trigonometric ratios. Now we take S and the left hand side of the given expression. So now look, we take LHS. Now we take LHS. Tan theta is what? The value of tan theta is what? 9 by 4 upon 1 plus, this is 9 by 4 whole square. So we get 9 by 4 upon 1, 81 upon 16. 81 upon 16. Now we solve it. This is 9 by 4 upon 9. This is 16 plus 81. 16 plus 81 upon 97. 97 upon 16. So we get 9 upon 4 into 16 upon 97. So this is 36 upon 97. Okay, now the right hand we take the right hand side. Sin theta is what? The value of sin 9 upon 5 and the value of sec theta is 4 upon 5 upon 4. So we get 9 upon 5 into 4 upon 5, 20. Here I think minus here kya? This is 3 upon 2. This is 3 upon 4. Okay, sorry. So the value of this is 3 upon 4. Okay, this is 3 upon 4. So here we get 3 upon 4. 9. This is 25 here. Okay. This is 25. So we get what? 36 upon 25 is there. So now after simplifying the right hand side, we also get 36 upon 25. Thus, this is LHS is equal to RHS. In this way, dear student, you can verify all that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. This is very important questions. So first of all, we have the value of sec theta, and we have to verify tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin upon sec. So in this way, first of all, we draw a right angle triangle and we take angle A as theta, assume that, and after this we put the value of sec theta. This is base per hypotenuse upon base. So in this way, we find the value of tan theta as well as sin theta, sec theta. Now after that, we put all the values in LHS, left hand side and right hand side, and both the values are same. So in this way, we verify this result. So in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. As in next class, nowadays in next class we take and discuss some other important questions. based on this topic. Now in next class we take and discuss some other important topic of your syllabus. Okay, now thanks to all.